Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this week's Teach Me Tuesdays, episode 302. Yes, 302. And it's just going to be a really quick one. This is the last day of March, so I thought I would pop in and show you what your mini masterpiece will be for the month of April. And I pulled out, I don't know how old it is, but it is a retired stamp set. And I actually had to mount it to use it because I hadn't used it. So I've been pulling out my retired stuff and going through the cupboards. I'm like, well, I haven't used this in a while, so I've been like adding some things to my boxes. So if you are looking for some retired Stampin' Up stuff, just head on over to my blog over here, and the list is there. And then as long as you're in the United States, and then I can send you the PayPal and get those on the way to you. Starting April the 3rd, what's left, I'm just going to bundle up into mystery boxes and sell them that way. So now is a great time to look at that list and let me know if there's something that you're looking for, so you can pick what you want instead of surprise. You don't know what you're going to get. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So welcome. So during the video premiere, I am in the chat room, so head on over there. I'll be there with my friends. If you're watching the replay and you have a question or a comment, leave that below, and then YouTube will let me know and I can reach out to you. Today is also the last day for the customer selector, so I need to get that done. So if you are expecting a catalog from me, now we are changing to 3, I don't know if I would call them mini catalogs. They're not like, it's not going to be as big as like the main catalog, but I think it's going to be a little bit bigger than the mini. I don't know, but there's going to be 3 catalogs a year, and I am really liking this change so that we can keep up with the times, and we still will have online exclusives and kits and all that kind of stuff, but so I am excited to see that. So I will be doing my customer selector. So basically I'm just going to go into the system and pick the people that have ordered at least 50 before tax and shipping since October 2025, so the last 6 months for me, and send a catalog. And if you haven't, then and it's what I talked about yesterday, I'm just assuming you're not stamping anymore, or you're stamping with another demonstrator, which is totally fine, but then they'll get the catalog to you. So I have to do that, and I think that's all I wanted to blab about really, really quick. I'll when I spin my camera, I will show you the little mini masterpiece that you are earning in March. And to earn the mini masterpiece, you need to order 75 before tax and shipping in the month, and that could be a combination of orders. You could order twice in a month, but as long as those come to 75 before tax and shipping together, then you'll get your little mini masterpiece when I send you your thank you card, which will be the first week or so of the following month. So if you are really loving the product of the month, and that's with a $75 before tax and shipping single order, then this is right up your alley, because you are qualifying for both. So I can't wait. We have some new kits coming. We have a new product of the month coming in April. So much is going on. So anyway, so it's hard to believe that tomorrow is April Fool's Day tomorrow. All right, so I am going to spin my camera, so close your eyes for a second so we can get started. Okay, so the little mini masterpiece for March was this hydrangea one here. And I love, we went to Home Depot this morning. I need to get another, this is going to be so funny. I need to get another little shelf for plants, if you can believe that, for my studio. So we went to Walmart and Home Depot. So I don't know if I should order one from Amazon or if Jeff should make one. So we're kind of going back and forth. But But anyways, there were some beautiful hydrangeas in there. And I don't think I've ever tried to grow hydrangeas in Arizona. I don't have much luck outside. I either overwater or don't water enough. I mean, it's hard in Arizona because it's so hot. But anyways, they looked beautiful. So this was the next best. Doing a little, my mini masterpiece for March was a hydrangea. And I love how that turned out with some of the blues and purples in there. I love that. All right. And then I thought, well, we'll go right on to some more flowers. And I'm going to use this set for April. And here it is. Oh, isn't that amazing? I love the tulips. I put a few different colored tulips. And I put some yellow in the back. Like there's some yellow ones back there too. In that gorgeous windmill. Little gel pen. But this is for April. And then I just write that on the back. I don't know what. Some people make them into cards. So, but I did put a little Wink of Stella. Can you see that? See that little Wink of Stella that is shining a bit on the windows. There you go. Just catches it just a little bit. But anyways, I love how that turned out. So yeah, so this is March, which is ending today, and then starting tomorrow, it will be this one. All right, so yeah, that was a quick video. Because I don't have the new kits for April to show you, and my pre-order is on the way, but I didn't get it yet. So Friday for my Dies short. So my Teaching Me Tuesday is a short this week, and my Dies shorts will be longer because I should have my pre-order Friday, and then that's what I'll do. I'll do an unboxing on Friday, so it will be longer than normal. So anyway, so yeah, so if you have any questions at all about my mini masterpiece, the 3 catalogs, any of that good stuff, make sure you holler at me. Otherwise, I will see you Friday for my Dies shorts. That will be a little longer, and that will be at 3 o'clock, Arizona time, same channel. Have a great night, and I'll see you Friday. All right, bye for now.